So we are going to talk about the NIST definition of cloud computing. NIST is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and it provides this definition that cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. Now the configurable computing resources are network, servers, storage, application and services. Now these resources can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction, which means that users should be able to provision and instantiate these resources on their own. This cloud model promotes availability and is composed of 5 essential characteristics, 3 service models and 4 deployment models. So this is a very complex definition, and let us try to understand it in detail.